Welcome back. Here Dioa from 3Airview channel. In this video I will show you how to rank your pins and drive free traffics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe button and activate the bell. Open Pinterest, website and click search bar. We need to find related followers of your niche. Here you write your niche or keyword internet marketing as example, then click enter. This will show you others' pins. We need to switch to board from drop-down list and select board. This will filter result to choose board that have more pins. Now look to the follower number of the board. I will select board and check followers. OK, open it on new window or tab. These followers are all targeted and you will need to follow them and then they will follow you. When you click follower number, it will show you Pinterest profiles with follow button. Look here, you can be contributor also by send them an email. Let's start adding some followers now. From this pop-up window, click follow button beside every profile name. Add 20 to 40 daily to build your followers from interested people to your niche. To join this board and start share your pins, then you must be a contributor. Thank you for watch and subscribing and follow me in Pinterest from the link in description.